So, today we're going to be talking about how you are feeling emotionally. And many people, unfortunately, are not checking in with their friends and family because of the deception of social media. And so, everything looks good online. Nobody is, really expressing how they're really feeling because everything has to be perfect and crisp on social media, right? So we really have to reach out to each other, check on each other, see how we're doing. Because many times when you do, people are struggling, they're suffering, they might need a friend, a listening ear, and they might need some prayer. So, my challenge for you this week is reach out to three people that you have not talked to in a while. Because guess what? They might need your encouragement. And I also encourage you to pray for those three individuals this week. And, just ask God to provide for their needs because you just never know what people need. They might not be comfortable being vulnerable with what they need with you. And so, God knows all our hearts, He knows what we need. And there is nothing worse than finding out later on that someone has passed away because they felt hopeless or they felt alone. So we want to be able to really be there for each other because we are meant to be a community. That's how we are built. And when loneliness hit us and we feel like there is no hope, it is not a good recipe. So please reach out to someone that you care for, that you love, or that you have even thought about. And just give them that loving touch that they might need this week.